Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this black eye filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Let me remove this first. Okay, the effect is gone. To get this effect on Snapchat, what you have to do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours, tap there. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, see you in the next video.